This review focuses on the best dash cams available this year, highlighting models that truly stand out in performance and reliability. After weeks of careful research, testing specifications, and comparing real-world usage, the most practical and feature-rich options have been identified. Each selected dashcam offers a strong balance of quality, usability, and value. As a result, buyers can make a confident decision without feeling overwhelmed by endless choices. The VIOFO D018 4K Dash Cam delivers a premium recording experience with its advanced multi-camera setup and edge sensor technology. It records stunning 4K footage from the front camera, while the 2K interior fisheye lens offers an ultra-wide 210-degree view to cover the entire cabin without blind spots. In addition, the 2K rear camera captures clear traffic details, ensuring complete coverage from every angle. Thanks to all-channel StarVice 2 sensors, videos remain clear, balanced, and highly detailed, even in low-light or fast-moving situations. This dashcam is packed with smart and practical features that enhance daily driving and parking security. The power-saving parking mode intelligently monitors impacts while minimizing battery usage. Moreover, next-generation Wi-Fi 6 enables extremely fast video previewing and downloads through the mobile app. Storage flexibility is another highlight, as it supports up to 4 TB SSD or 512GB microSD cards for weeks of uninterrupted recording. Voice control, built-in GPS, HDR support, and the included anti-glare CPL further improve usability and image clarity. Overall, the VIOFO D018 stands out as a feature-rich, high-performance dashcam designed for drivers who want complete protection and top-tier video quality. It is strongly recommended for users seeking reliability, advanced technology, and long-term recording confidence. The TERUNSOUl D018 Dash Cam offers comprehensive vehicle coverage with its powerful 4K front, 4K rear, and 1080 pixels cabin recording system. It captures ultra-clear footage from every angle, supported by wide viewing angles of up to 170 degrees in the front and 150 degrees for both cabin and rear. This makes it ideal for personal cars, trucks, rideshare vehicles, and family road trips. The included 128GB microSD card ensures stable performance right out of the box, while support for up to 512GB allows long-term, uninterrupted recording. Advanced features further enhance usability and safety. The built-in G sensor automatically detects impacts and locks critical footage. IR night vision with invisible infrared lights ensures clear cabin recording even in complete darkness. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6 delivers fast transfer speeds of up to 20 MB/s through the mobile app, while built-in GPS accurately records speed, routes, and location data. In addition, 24-hour parking monitoring with time-lapse and collision detection adds an extra layer of protection when the vehicle is parked. One minor limitation is that the dashcam does not automatically connect to the phone when the vehicle is turned on, requiring manual app connection. Overall, the TERUNSOUl D018 is a feature-rich and reliable dashcam, making it a highly recommended choice for users seeking high-resolution recording, strong security features, and excellent value. The next up is the REDTIGER F9 4K Dual Dash Cam is a powerful and compact solution designed to deliver reliable front and rear protection for everyday driving. It features a 4K front camera paired with a 1080 pixels rear camera, capturing sharp and detailed footage from both directions. With a wide 170-degree viewing angle and a bright f1.5 aperture, it records clear road details, license plates, and surroundings during both day and night. The included 32GB memory card allows instant use, while support for up to 256GB ensures extended recording capacity. Smart functionality is a key highlight of the REDTIGER F9. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS enable seamless connection to the REDTIGER mobile app for real-time viewing, video playback, and GPS data tracking. The dashcam records speed, location, and route information directly on videos, adding valuable evidence when needed. Loop recording ensures continuous operation, while the G sensor automatically detects incidents and locks important footage to prevent overwriting. Overall, the REDTIGER F9 stands out with its user-friendly design, supercapacitor reliability, parking mode support, and strong app integration. It is highly recommended for drivers seeking a dependable, high-resolution dashcam with essential safety and smart features. The PRUVEEO D90 Dash Cam is designed to deliver complete vehicle coverage with its advanced 4-channel recording system. It features 4 Full HD 1080 pixels cameras that simultaneously record the front, rear, left and right sides of the vehicle. This setup provides true 360-degree protection with no blind spots, making it ideal for cars, taxis, trucks, and commercial vehicles. The adjustable front lenses allow users to customize angles, while one lens can also be positioned to monitor the vehicle interior for added security. This dashcam is equipped with intelligent features that enhance both driving and parking safety. Built-in GPS accurately records speed, location, time, and routes, which can be reviewed using the GPS video player for insurance or legal purposes. Overall, the PRUVEEO D90 is a highly capable and reliable dash cam, offering full surround recording, stable performance, and excellent security features, making it a strong recommendation for users seeking all-around vehicle protection. The IIWEY N5 Dash Cam is designed to deliver complete 360-degree vehicle coverage with impressive clarity. It records simultaneously from the front, rear, left, right, and interior, ensuring no angle is missed. Moreover, the flexible recording modes, including 1080 pixel on all channels or a higher 2.5K front view, allow drivers to choose based on their needs. The wide-angle lenses further enhance visibility, making daily driving and long trips more secure and well-documented. In addition, the N5 stands out with strong smart features and smooth connectivity. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables faster app control for live preview, video download, and easy sharing. Loop recording works seamlessly with the included 128GB SD card, ensuring continuous recording without interruptions. Meanwhile, the G sensor automatically locks critical footage during sudden impacts. Night performance is also reliable, as the infrared lamps clearly capture the cabin even in complete darkness. Furthermore, this dashcam is built for durability and convenience. The supercapacitor design ensures stable operation in extreme temperatures and extends overall lifespan. Parking mode offers 24-hour protection through time-lapse and impact detection options. Installation is straightforward due to adjustable mounts and clear guides. Overall, the IIWEY N5 is a powerful, feature-rich dashcam that delivers all-round security, making it a highly recommended choice for modern drivers. At last, the BOTSLAB G980H 3K Dash Cam is built to provide advanced all-round vehicle monitoring with its impressive 560-degree coverage. It records simultaneously using a powerful front camera and multiple side and rear lenses, delivering sharp and detailed footage in various configurations, including full 4-channel 3K recording. Moreover, the wide-angle lenses help capture license plates clearly, even at night. The detachable magnetic side cameras add flexibility, allowing users to switch between multi-channel or dual camera modes with ease. In addition, this dashcam is packed with intelligent features designed for safety and convenience. The 24/7 parking mode offers time-lapse, sentry, and collision detection for continuous protection when the vehicle is parked. Night vision performance is enhanced by a wide f1.8 aperture, infrared LEDs, and WDR technology, ensuring balanced footage in low-light conditions. The 3.18-inch touchscreen and voice control simplify operation, while the built-in GPS accurately records speed and route data for reliable trip playback. However, some users may experience occasional app connectivity issues, especially during initial setup or Wi-Fi pairing. Despite this, the high-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, supercapacitor design, and included 128GB card add strong value. Overall, the BOTSLAB G980H is a feature-rich and reliable dashcam, making it a solid recommendation for drivers seeking complete coverage and advanced safety features. For more honest product reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a video.